This is how I generate automated TikTok videos, like before and after videos. Like these. They are super easy to get views and post a lot of them. And I use it for my website that generates AI pictures. So people put in a before picture and then they get a generated after picture. Those are saved in a Supabase database. And for marketing, I want to create videos before and after to show what the website does. So I have built this script, this Python project, and I will show you right now. I will run it and it will generate some videos from the Supabase. It will get every hour or every minute, whatever you set it to. It will get the latest rows from Supabase, get the before, get the after picture, and then automatically generate a video from it. And it will do it on autopilot. You can have it running in the background and it will just keep generating videos. Here we go. We have a new video generated and that's a before and after picture. It's saved in this folder, ready to upload to TikTok, and it's already generating a new one. There we go, 120 frames, and it is saved. There it is, before and after, and those are ready to upload to TikTok. So you can build like 5 to 10 pages, TikTok pages, where you just post them. Videos like this, add a sound to it, link your website in here, and that's how you drive traffic. So yeah, super easy. If you want this script, if you want the TikTok generator, I will link this download page in the YouTube description. You can download it, you can put in your own price. If you want to help me, put some money in there, or if you're low on budget, just put $1. Maybe you can even download it for free. Just click I want this, and yeah, let me know what you think. If you need any help, if you have any questions, I am here for you. Bye.